Yeah.
You sure you put the flywheel where it's supposed to go?
Yeah.
Porsche 911, 1999, with the 996 engine. You guys remember it was mixing oil and coolant together. So had the engine on the ground, pulled the heads out. They weren't cracked or warped, just the gasket was completely cooked. So put new head gaskets in it, the engine is all back together. It's about to go in the car right now with a fresh clutch, and we'll let you know shortly. Is it gonna be balanced enough? Or we just needed to lift it and just put it on the table.
Yeah. I mean, flip that and then grab one chain.
Is this one tight though? It's already touching the belt.
Oh. Maybe that's one of the small ones.
Yes.
Yep, got the cut off.
The pulley? Or the belt?
Just belt, so I can get that hose.
Oh yeah. We got some the cord, like ratchet strap. That works really good. I guess this will do too.
What?
The wrapping it right there. I'll put it here first before it comes.
Oh yeah, I had to get a oddball one.
Go ahead and drop it so we'll drag it.
Ready?
Mm-hmm.
Come on, man.
Maybe not. If you can tighten one of those, I can
Yes.
let go.
Can't remember what size that is.
15. And that's how it's gonna go up.
Yes, you didn't like that.
No. They engineered it like perfect.
Yeah, there is no slop in that thing. Better behave. There.
Okay, hold on. So we'll do that book.
Oh yeah. You going up. So far, so good.
Mm-hmm.
Here, let me guide this hose real quick.
And you can do the power steering up there.
Yep. It's looking good, looking good, looking good. So far I'm really happy. Yes.
Oh, plenty of room in the back.
Yeah, we got plenty of room back here.
Can we go down a little bit?
Just a tad bit.
Nothing all the way here.
Nothing in the way back here. You can share. Okay, I think we're good. Seems good, good. Yep.
I just need one more push and then we should do this.
Wondering where it would be. So Johnny and I just got this motor back up in the car. It went really smooth. Just little adjustments on the table, pushing it up, and got all the bolts in. Got the mount for the transmission in. So now we're just kind of rewiring all the harnesses and hoses, and hopefully we can get this started today or tomorrow. So fingers crossed. Pop a fuse or something?
Everything's negative response. I didn't even see this one move. Oh, I did.
Yeah.
You sure you put the flywheel where it's supposed to go?
Yeah, I mean, there's only one way.
Okay.
If you go the other way, it wouldn't crank. Because the teeth coming go. If you flip it the other way, that
See, the RPM is not moving.
There's a wire there, and then it goes up there.
That's the connector, right?
Yep.
You cannot mix them up
I don't
with
know.
that. What's in this? Or they're in here or on the other side? They're right here, John.
I'm the crank.
Yes.
Stop.
No spark. Is the sensor plugged in though?
Which one?
The crankshaft sensor, did you plug it in?
I thought you plugged it in.
I couldn't reach.
Oh. Well, that would be a reason why we don't have a spark. I saw you reach up there. I thought you plugged it in. Today, we went through some problems and problem solving on this Porsche. Johnny and I were looking at it this morning and figured out that there's two sensors that are interchangeable that are pretty much right next to each other. This is your crank sensor that goes down to the position sensor, and there's also a sensor that sits right there that's also a 3-pin. Those are interchangeable, so if you ever work on one of these and take one out, make sure you put those sensors back right. It'll give you a headache. So take a lot of pictures. A lot of pictures. And I looked at my pictures that I took of this car and verified that they were switched, and we just swapped them over and it wants to crank over now. So we're really, really happy. It was something simple.
I wonder what was rubbing on the inside of the wheel here. It's not rubbing anymore.
It's like an episode of Cheaters.
Everything looks fine.
We're filming an episode of Cheaters. They're cheating on us.
We experienced some more oil mixture. We're thinking it's probably in one of the radiators. Didn't get cleaned out enough. So what we do is we put some detergent in it, hashtag Dawn soap. And we ran it with some water, keep running it, and finally it's starting to pull some of that oil out. So we're gonna drain it, refill it, and pretty much keep on flushing until it's good.
Did I hear Dawn? Really?
You might not want to stand there
Okay.
or there.
Not poo water. You
Uh,
don't want it to look like that anymore.
No, it shouldn't look like that anymore. Well, some of it might, but
Fingers crossed, okay.
yeah. Woo! There's some poo water.
Ah,
Ooh!
my shoes. Hey.
Yeah.
That's the first engine interior detail on Velocity Garage.
Cool. That looks a lot better. See, now we're gonna run clean water through it, probably a couple times till it's not bubbly anymore, and then put coolant back in her and go drive her. Hopefully, she'll be all done. Spin in a hole.
Oh my God.
Oh yeah.
Then put it in the hole. Yes. That was awesome.